Monggo Guisado. Very simple dish, easy to make, but with heavy logistic requirements. Of course, I want to make it well for your enjoyment. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romulo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings, my friends. How are you today? Your Kuya Uncle here in Holland, Romulo. We're cooking today. My province's unofficial dish, balatong or Monggo Guisado. Monggo Guisado. And I'm adding ampalaya. And warm welcome. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. This is not just a cooking channel. We explore other recipes, we explore other flavors of other countries, and we also trace the history and the chemistry of each dish. We also give kitchen tips. Let's start. Voiceover, what are our ingredients? The ingredients are very basic. Garlic, ginger, and onion, tomato, and the sahog, liempo. It's not shown here, but patis is needed. This recipe needs advanced preparation, around 30 minutes to boil the munggo. A single bean may not cook. This technique, according to my mother, eliminates a problem. It's a myth, I think. You can boil the munggo while you do something else. Let's check if it's cooked already. And again, the ingredients here prepared. And the discipline when using pork as sahog is to sangkutsa or parboil. Parboil and let the pork render fat. Keep the lid ajar to allow steam to escape. If you really want to duplicate the Pangasinan style, you have to use pork. There's a joke in Pangasinan. Sabi namin, numamising kan baboy, ag mo sambungan na balatong. Kung translated, kung maggulay ka ng baboy, huwag mong sahogan ng munggo, meaning be generous with pork. Yes, be generous with pork. Another requirement if you want to duplicate the Pangasinan style is that make it thick. This is a munggo bean stew, so dapat talaga malapot. Malapot. This is not a soup recipe. Hindi ito sinigang or puchero or nilaga. This is just stew. It should be thick. Thick in texture, thick in concentration, and also thick in flavor. So be generous with pork. And pero kung bitin, dagdagan nyo na lang ng mantika. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have sufficient fat in the liempo, so I'm adding cooking oil. One tomato slice is very excited to join the stew. Let's begin. Fat and patis or bagoong make a perfect combination. They enhance one another. Fat and bagoong or patis. Tip from Channel 1. Ang daming lecture dito. Luto na Romulo. Don't forget the tomato. We can add the munggo now, the balatong. remember my mother complaining. She used to complain because when she Monggo. Nauubos kasi yung kapatid ko. Kinakain niya ito before my mother cooks it. My brother adds milk to this for merienda. It's really good. Let's add water. This is a very easy recipe. Once it boils, we'll add patis. Yes, patis. In our place, yeah, patis. Or like bagoong, sabaw, bagoong. Let's add patis now. I'm even short of patis, so I'll add just a bit of bagoong Pangasinan. Yeah. I don't want to overpower the taste, so just 2 tablespoons maximum. Our voiceover didn't mention, but I'll be using my last pouch of ampalaya leaves from last year's harvest. Yeah, this is precious. I'm confident of using it because anyway today I planted my ampalaya plants this morning. Should I be using this all? And I'm adding the ampalaya now. My last for this year. As I've been telling here, if you use frozen vegetables, don't thaw it. Add it as frozen. Let the steam and the boiling water in the sauce thaw your vegetable. And if you enjoy what you're watching, don't forget to subscribe at ibida natin ang ating ulam sa Pilipinas. Share na din and click the bell icon so that you get notified of our releases every Friday. If you prefer travel and places and events, then My Barrio, My Mundo is the channel for you. Same Kuya is the presenter there. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Heaven. Let's go. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. And we're done. See how easy. Recipe. Ginisang Monggo Style Pangasinan. Join me later at the dining table. I just ruined the plating and the presentation. It's spilled. I won't reshoot. This is delicious. I won't reshoot. And my Monggo from my Pangasinan, sharing it to the world. Thank you for joining your Kuya today as we share the flavors of our dear Patria Adorada, Pilipinas. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe and samahan niyo uli ako next time as we'll bring you more of the flavors of our country. Until next time, Monggo ng ating bayan. This usually served as a side dish for something fried chicken, fried bangos, etc. But for my case, it is my main course. Kakainin ko siya solo. Of course with white rice. And don't forget to come back for more of our cooking and gardening stories. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romilo. And until next time, bye-bye. Life is beautiful. Ang sarap. Pati yung taba, yung pag... Oh! Taba, really. You really need taba ng baboy for this recipe. Without the taba ng baboy, this is nothing. Sarap! If I had to choose between beef steak and this one, munggo pa rin ako. What else? Tell me, sige, challenge me. Ano yung gusto nyong ipalit ko rito? A meat dish against this one, ito pa rin ako. Lobster and this one, lobster.